Kota kalau insight deh, pentingnya atau kemauan itu yang penting. Tapi bisa panggil tingin ya ini. Pecah nunggu tidak. Sepeda swell MT kalau unlawful deh, kalau ada experience pakai imposition of Section 144 CrPC kalau unlawful. Because Supreme Court ruling 1965 has spelled out very clearly, you cannot invoke Section 144 as a tool to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. So you are just, contempt the court. The ruling is contempt of court. The order of the Deputy Commissioner. So you convey that to the Deputy Commissioner. And we know well what is Section 144 CrPC. I have explained to them. It was mentioned in Chapter 10, Part C. This Section 144 is only in cases of urgent cases of nuisance and apprehended danger. So have we apprehended that we will bring any danger? This is a peaceful demonstration. It is a peaceful procession. Even procession are allowed. There's how many of us that we are not allowed just to go there. We will not go, not all of us will go inside. Then first you allow us to go there, then you will decide where to sit, where we will sit, and how many of us will go. Not necessary that we have to go 5 or 6. You apply your mind, you know that we know the law. We are a lawmaker, we are not going to violate law. I told the police, if you have some MPD, you can arrest us on the preventive detention ordinance. You apply the law, we will talk about the law. But you just cannot simply use this as a tool to prevent the legitimate expression or protest. We will not allow. Even if you are being instructed to deal with us harshly, we will face it. So which is why I'm telling them, allow us, we will go. Then we will decide there. Not here, we will not decide. We will decide there how many of us will go. Because we know that all of us will not go inside. We can go in. We will see where is the convenient place, but not here. So if you are stopped here, we will not go. We are measured enough, like what we did last time. We protested in the main secretariat and we feel that the people are not convenient. We shifted. We are responsible leader, but we cannot be dealt in this manner, no? Because we know the law. We don't want to go to the board, because if we go to the board, your political master will not face a problem. You will face a problem. We want to protect you, which is why we know that despite the fact that this is unlawful order, we do not want to go to the court. It is a contempt of court clearly. And who will face? Who will have to go to the court if we file a case? You, the officers, will have to go, not these bloody political masters.
Did you decide on a place?
The more convenient place, you know. Ini allow us ini. Ini selesai. Kan yang ni kalau menjaga apa?